So I guess as an outcome around the Super Friends data, what the data is saying is that between 40 to 50% of workers with a mental health condition indicate that the workplace is actually a direct cause to making it worse, which is quite an alarming stat. So as we start thinking around how we then apply this into a risk management context, often organisations can think about how risks apply in this space around as simple things as looking at the job demand, the job resources, and if there's a mismatch between those job demands and job resources, what impact that might have on people and the workplace itself, be it pain, engagement, burnout, etc.